Hey LMS followers, here we go again with another segment, and today we're getting a testimony from Hazum, who we represented at the IRS, and I got a few questions to ask him. Now remember, these aren't paid actors, these are real live people that we go to the IRS with. And Hazum, how are you doing today?
Doing good.
Good, good. So we wanted to talk to you. You got randomly picked for an IRS audit, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, when you got picked for this IRS audit, how did you feel? Were you nervous? Were you confused?
Yes, yes, that's the first time.
Okay.
Nervous and all that.
First time you ever got audited,
Yes, sir.
right? So, how did you come to choose LMS to come and to represent you or call me so that I can go with you to the IRS?
Well, LMS Sam, he's very nice. So my brother, we do some business with him. He's a good guy. So I tell my brothers, just let me talk to Sam, so he can help us for it. And so far, thank God, he helped me for it. He helped me for it. And so my case already closed with him. I feel good. I feel comfortable. So when I went with him with us, so I'm happy with it.
Oh, so you're good. So you're good as we represented you and I showed up. Do you feel that we had a knowledge in the tax business at the audit that we were able to walk you through and feel comfortable?
Yes, yes.
And the budget that we did before we went there was a good thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
so
wonderful. Yes.
all right. So again, here we are with Mr. Hazum. We represent him at an audit. They closed his case. He paid $0, and we represented him at the IRS. And again, we didn't do your tax returns, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So somebody else did his tax returns, but we represented him at IRS because we think Hazum and Hannah and Eli are like family for us, and we went down there and represented them with the IRS, and we came out great.